Eastern Voice and Data.
Hello everyone, my name is Andy from Eastern Voice and Data, and I'm going to show you a quick example of our fantastic hosted system, which I believe is the best available in the United Kingdom. Now we can see here that I'm on the portal, and this allows me to control how the phone works. So let's have a quick look and see what we can do. So we can see here call forwarding, my profiles, how to manage them, and number presentation. Across the top, the dashboard, the call setup, or how I want the calls to work. So let's have a quick look at this. Incoming calls. What do I want to happen when a call comes in? In this instance, when I'm busy, I want the call to go to voicemail. If I don't answer after 5 rings, I want the call to, guess what? Go to voicemail. And if I'm unavailable, I want the call to go to my office number. If I want to change any of that, I just input here, click save, and that's done. Twinning. What this allows you to do is to twin your mobile to your work phone. If someone rings your work phone, your mobile will ring at the same time. A really, really useful feature. It means that you should never ever miss a call. Blacklisting. If you don't want someone to ring you, put their number in here, click add, click save. All they'll get is constant ringing. Your phone won't ring. They won't have any idea, but they won't get through to you. In the call settings, you can see here these all speak for themselves. Basically, this allows you to be completely flexible. You can do what you want with the phone. You don't need an engineer to come out. Call notify. Pop that in or off. At the moment it's off. If I want it on, you can see exactly what happens. I can basically put my email in here. If anyone rings me, I will get an email saying that they've rung me. Sequential ring. What this allows you to do is to basically think, okay, well, I use my work phone a lot. In this instance, my work phone will ring. After 5 rings, it will then go to my mobile. And that's sequential ringing is on. In this instance, I'm now going to just turn that off. And we can now see sequential ringing is off. The busy lamp field. What this allows you to do is to see who is on the phone within your organisation. And you can set this up on your phone as well. Speed dials. They speak for themselves. If I want to ring I'll input these, and effectively *2 will ring that number, *3 will ring that mobile number, and on the 2-digit dialing, you can see I haven't got anything in. I haven't bothered with that, and I'll show you why in a minute. In-call options. I'm not going to go into these too much, but it basically allows you to have a look and see exactly what you want to happen when you're actually in a call. For example, let's look at this one. Do you want the call, if it's transferred to someone, to come back to you if it isn't answered? In this instance, I've got it off for me. You might want it on. Voicemail settings, again. In this instance, I've got it set to using my recording, and it will email me any voicemail message I get at this email address. Yes, that's right. Any voicemail you get comes to you as an email, so you can listen to that WAV file on your iPhone, any smartphone. You'll be able to do it. Manage profiles. This is where we're going to come to here in the dashboard. So let's quickly pop back to there. We can see at the moment the call forwarding is inactive. If I wanted to forward to my mobile, all I would do is literally hit activate, and it would then forward all calls to my mobile. Or we look at the profiles. At the moment I'm available in Office, and we can see these are the profiles that I have available to me. What do I want to happen when, for example, I'm available but out of the office, which is where I am now, because I've just changed a bit. Let's have a look. So, I'm available out of the office. Let's have a see and see what happens with that. And effectively, because I'm available, all that will happen is the call, in this instance, will come to this phone number, but I will also be sent an email to this email address. Let's go back, because I don't want to be available and out of the office. I want to be available and in the office. So let's pop back into the dashboard. And let's just quickly change that to available in the office. Let's have a look at this, and we can see exactly what I've got this set to. We hit the edit, and we can see at the moment, if I'm busy, so if I'm on the phone, someone rings me, the call will go to voicemail. If I'm away, I don't answer, again, it goes to voicemail. But I could, if I wanted to just pop in my mobile number here and 025. Hit apply, and now if I'm in the office it will ring this phone at the same time. As it happens, I don't want that to happen, so I'm just going to delete that and reapply it, and now we're back to where we were. Let's go back into the dashboard and have a look at some of the more advanced features on this system. So for example, and we can see here we have the profiles for available in the office, out of the office, busy or unavailable, and you control exactly how you want that to work. So effectively you are in complete control of your phone from this portal. Let's have a look at some clever things. Here what we can see is the GUI. So effectively, if I just make that slightly bigger for you so you can see it, and effectively if I wanted to ring Chris, for example, all I would do is highlight it. If I want to call him from my phone, I now click that and it will ring him. And if I want to call him from my computer, so from webcam, whatever, I just click that and it will do it from the computer. My communication history. So this is an incoming call, that is an outgoing call. If I wanted to ring this number, again, I just highlight it, click it to dial from the phone, or click it to call from the computer. And if I just haven't got anyone there and I want to input a number, again, I can. And if I want to call it from the phone, I click here. If I want to call it from the computer, I click here. Now, we've set up for an incoming call to come in. So, and that incoming call is going to come in at the moment. So any second now, Ola will be ringing me. And we can see here, Ola's calling me. So do I want to answer it? Well, in this instance, let's answer it. Hi Ola, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. Yourself?
Yeah, very well, thanks, mate. Just quickly opened up that email. Let's get rid of that. Now you can see here that I can hang up the call, I can hold the call, I can consult someone else, so I could put it into a consultative mode. I could start a conference, I could transfer the call, or I could look at my Microsoft database and see if Ola's on there. Actually, Ola isn't on my Microsoft database. I know that. So in this instance, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hang up. See you later, Ola.
Bye-bye.
Bye. And there we go. And that's that. Now, if I wanted to call Ola back, for example, because I've forgotten something, there are several ways that I could do that. One is to use this here. We can see here. Here's the incoming call. I could just highlight that and away we go. Or alternatively, I could, if I wanted to, go into Outlook, click on his number, and you can see here, up comes the icon. And to call Ola from there, all I do is literally click that. As soon as I do that, the call will start, and Ola will probably not answer the call because he doesn't know it's me ringing him.
I do know you.
Oh, hi Ola, it's me again.
Hello.
And let's hang up again. You can see here I can do anything I want, hold, etc. from here. Let's hang up that call. And that is a brief demonstration of the Horizon hosted system. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for your time.